In this video, I will show you how to solve the clock puzzle. I will be using the guide from my website. The link is in the description. For part 1, we will solve the cross clocks to face up to 12 o'clock. Push the top left pin up towards you and all the other pins down. Turn the top left dial until the center clock matches the right edge clock. Push the top right pin up and all the other pins down. Turn the top right dial until the center clock matches the bottom edge clock. Push the bottom right pin up. All the other pins are down. Turn the bottom right dial until the center clock matches the left edge clock. Push both the bottom pins up and turn either one of the bottom dials until the center clock matches the top edge clock. Next, we'll push all the pins up, so towards us, and turn any dial until the cross clocks face up to 12 o'clock. Turn the puzzle around, and we're going to do the same process for the other side. Top left up, matching with the right edge clock. Top right up, matching with the bottom edge clock. Bottom left up, matching with the left edge, and then both the bottom pins up. For us, it's already matching. Next, you push all the pins up and turn the cross clocks to face 12 o'clock. Notice the cross is solved on both sides. For the next step, we will solve the corners. This time we're going to have 1 pin down and 3 pins up. Turn any dial corresponding to an up pin so that the cross clocks match the corner clock corresponding to the down pin. Push the top right pin down, all the other pins are up, and turn any dial corresponding to an up pin until the center clock matches the corner clock corresponding to the down pin. We'll repeat this for the bottom right pin. For us, the bottom left is already matching, but if yours is not solved, then you'll push this one down and then turn it to match. Lastly, we'll put all the pins up and turn any dial for all the clocks to face up to 12 o'clock. It solves it on both sides. Important. During your beginner solves, never turn a dial where the pin is down. It looks like we can just turn this one clock to match all the other ones, but it actually messes up the cross on the other side. So always turn a dial corresponding to an up pin to match the clock corresponding to a down pin. Enjoy this puzzle. It's a fun, easy to solve.